The truth of this is, I've been dreading this. We're going to make pizzas, but we're going to make them on the barbecue. I have made a sourdough pizza dough. Hopefully they'll be alright. The trick with this is heat. I brought this. Why am I doing this to myself? Why am I doing it? Sourdough pizzas on the barbecue. Let's get to it. I've got a lapel mic on. Okay. So we're going to dust them up, take our palms. Lower down because it's going to be too high. Wow, that was a funky little angle you went for there. The chorizo, I mean, some of these pieces of chorizo, that under there, that's like what happens to you when you cremate it. The dough, wow, okay, let's not, okay, no. But actually, for the purposes of the YouTube channel, let's look underneath. Look at that. It's burnt. It's so hot that it's burning my fingers, but at the same time, it's inedible because it's not cooked. So, I don't know, you be the judge of how that's gone. Don't try and cook your pizza on your barbecue. Get an actual pizza oven if you're that desperate. In fact, do you want to get a takeaway? Just do that, because this is mental. An absolute nightmare. Like, subscribe, please. Looks like I'm pissed.